Okay, done some frequency testing of the Warra bass shakers that are mounted underneath the seat buckets as well as on the floor. Only testing the ones on the seat buckets at the moment, which are located underneath here. The other ones on the floor. It's connected up to a voltmeter at the moment, so I can get some readings. I really need one of those wattage all in one, because this I'm only measuring voltage, which is using very low level. So I'm only going up to about within a tolerance of 1 to maybe 2 volt, but not over that, because I can play the sine wave and I can feel the vibration, but it's a lot more than besides just feeling a bit of vibration. I gotta go through all the sine wave tones, and then I added some PEQ filters by boosting certain frequencies but not boosting other frequencies that are lower down. Instead, I just rather tried using a low pass filter and just raising up a little bit, because that low pass filter is going to widen down and go downwards slightly, but as you can see, the frequency curve, and this is just measuring it with the microphone Behringer ECM placed holding it against the bass shaker, and then getting a broad idea of what the frequency curve is. But the electrical input signal would be a little bit different, plus the what roll-off frequency is there present, because that's easily to detect, because I can gradually seeing the level stepping down, so I know there's a slope, a low pass filter, probably a slope. It could be on the one of many things. It could be there could be a slope, maybe on the Denon, maybe on the Sony SDS, maybe on one of my CP200s, or maybe on the DCX, or maybe on the FBQ, or the amplifier itself. It's testing everything to see if there's, so it's really, testing everything, because you could get multitudes of overlapping low pass filtering, and it creates very strange waveform. I might see if I can do something like that. Maybe it's on one of my lists. It's just a lot of work to do, a lot of work to do to undo things, connect things up so it's connected onto the computer, and then I can run a frequency switch. And then there's, of course, the computer. I would have to loop a lead from the output input, so I can do a frequency sweep on the computer sound card to see what the frequency sweep is. So there's many factors to look at before you're noticing, But sometimes just go with it, I suppose. Yeah, so I'll get to that test eventually, and see what I can see from it. Yeah, very awkward. A lot of testing.